Hey there, fellow WordPress enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to create an action to call button in WordPress using HTML code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this step-by-step guide will help you add an interactive element to your website. So, let's dive right in. First, open the page or post where you want to place your action to call button. Make sure you're in the HTML editing mode. Now, let's start by creating the HTML structure for our button. Inside the body tag, we'll add a div element with a unique ID to target it with our CSS later. Next, we'll create an anchor tag inside the div element and add the necessary attributes. Remember to replace your phone number with the actual phone number you want to link to. Feel free to customize the class name and button text to match your website's style. Great! We've created the HTML structure for our button. Now, let's move on to the styling part. To make our button visually appealing, we'll add some CSS styles. You can either add these styles in your theme CSS file or use a custom CSS plugin. Let me show you the CSS code. Inside the style tags, we'll target the action button class we defined earlier. You can customize the styles based on your preference. For example, you can change the background color, font size, or add hover effects. Play around with the code until you're happy with the result. Perfect! We've added the CSS styles to our button. Now, let's see how it looks on our website. Save your changes and preview the page or post where you added the button. You should now see a beautifully styled action to call button. And voila! Our action to call button is now ready to use. Visitors can simply click on the button, and it will automatically initiate a call to the specified phone number. That's it for today's tutorial on how to make an action to call button in WordPress using HTML code. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to add this interactive feature to your own website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.